This is Rath Yatra, the Grand Chariot Festival of Lord Jagannath, one of the oldest and most celebrated festival in India. Jai Jagannath. Every year in the sacred city of Puri in Orissa, the streets come alive with chant, color, devotion and celebration. Rath Yatra, also called the Festival of Chariots, marked the annual journey of Lord Jagannath along with his siblings Lord Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra from their temple to the Gundicha temple in Puri, which is considered his aunt's home or Mashir for 7 days. We in our locality carry out somewhat the same rituals briefly with our household deity Lord Jagannath, Devi Subhadra and Lord Balabhadra. The lords roll out on their chariot on the streets with their Bhaktagam. The Lord is out of his abode to meet his Bhaktagam in masses without any distinction. The preparation here begins 7 days in advance. Artisans and carpenters beautifully decorate the wooden chariot, keeping in mind the minute details without fail. On the morning of the first day of Rath Yatra, several rituals like bathing the deity, Bhog Dan, Yogya take place. Before the journey begins, Harinam Kirtan reverberates, cleaning the aura of the surrounding. Furthermore, and every living being dances to the name of the Almighty, the Lord of the universe, profoundly known in Bengali, Janto Thakur of Kali. The King of the universe, Lord Jagannath, Devi Subhadra and Lord Balabhadra are brought out in rhythmic, ceremonial movement accompanied by music, dance and sound of conch shells. Masses gather in huge number to have a public view of the divine. They chant the name of the divine with undaunting vigor. The chariot is pulled out on the street by Bhaktagan hailing the name of the Lord. Prasad distribution to the Bhaktagan as the blessing of the Lord is carried out. People join in numbers to hold the rope of the chariot, which is considered sacred, and a number of people on the way gather together to watch the Lord in his grandeur. People eagerly come out of their houses to have a glance of their Lord, joining hands in reverence and gratitude. The chariot begins moving and the Lord, after meeting his Bhaktagan, return among masses for 7 days, as if assuring his Bhaktagan that he is there for them irrespective of any caste, creed, religion and nationality. During the Lord's stay with his Bhaktagan, there is celebration all round, praising the Almighty. People pour in numbers for community lunches, evening gatherings and aarti. Hence, the Lord brings in everyone together because to him everyone is his child. Jai Jagannath. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.